Ayan guys, as you can see guys, naka full gear na po tayo no, para safety. May padding tayo, may riding jacket, helmet, naka GoPro. May battery po tayo dito na extra. Yan ang dito ko.